Good morning, Achieve. Happy Wednesday. We're going to continue talking about putting it all together to keep our bodies healthy after we do our Pledge of Allegiance. So, everybody, please stand, salute, and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, please have a seat and give me a good slant. All right, so I'm going to be talking to you for the next couple of days, today and tomorrow. And today we're going to talk about sleep, and tomorrow we're going to talk about rest. So I'll give you the difference between those tomorrow. But today we're going to talk about sleep and why sleep is so very important to your bodies. I'm going to show you a slide about it. All right. Sleep is key for your body. For children who are aged 6 to 12 years old, they actually need about 9 to 12 hours of sleep per night. For a lot of reasons, sleep helps us to pay attention and to listen better to the teacher. Think about days when you feel really tired. It's super hard to listen to things that you're supposed to. Sleep also helps us to learn because your brain takes all the information that you learn during the day and it puts it all together in your brain, like takes new information and puts it together with stuff that you already knew. And that happens at night when you sleep. So learning and remembering things is something that happens while sleeping. And then also sleep helps you with being able to follow the rules, because think about times when you're sleepy, you get really cranky and it's hard for you to do things that you might not want to do. And so listening and following the rules become even more hard when you're sleepy. So those are some reasons to try to get as much sleep as you can, at least 9 to 12 hours for children your age. There is some tips that I want to share with you about how to sleep better. So some of the things that you can do are to be active during the day so that you're more likely to feel sleepy at night. You can also avoid eating too close to bedtime. Sometimes people might like to eat sweet treats at night, but if it's too close to bedtime, eating those sweet treats is just going to keep you awake. So try to avoid eating and drinking things maybe that like soda or things that have a lot of sugar or caffeine, not close to bedtime. And then finally, when you do go to bed, it's important to turn the lights out. If you're the kind of person that likes to sleep with a night light or a small light, that's okay. But to have the bright lights on in your room, that tricks your brain to thinking that it's still daytime. So it is important to put lights out when you go to sleep. All right, Achieve, I have a question for you guys to talk about. Tell what helps you to fall asleep at night. All right, have a great day.